Hello friends, in today's video we'll discuss the important things which you should know about AIPMT 2014. AIPMT to replace NEET in 2014. The All India Pre-Medical Test is finally replacing NEET for undergraduate courses. The CBSE will hold AIPMT for students aspiring for MBBS and BDS courses for the academic session of 2014-15. Why Supreme Court has ruled in favor of scrapping NEET? Due to occurrence of various issues in the admissions, the Supreme Court struck NEET down. The judgment of quashing NEET was delivered by a 3-judge bench. They issued notice to all private and minority medical colleges on whose plea Supreme Court had scrapped NEET. CBSE to conduct AIPMT for 15% seats. All India Pre-Medical Test conducted by CBSE lets you compete for 15% seats in all medical colleges in the country, except Andhra Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. So in effect, you compete for just over 2100 seats in about 120 colleges. But anyone getting ranks within 3000 could have a fair chance of gaining admission, since toppers in AIPMT would top in other medical colleges. AIPMT 2014 on May 4th, 2014. CBSE finally decides to conduct AIPMT on May 4th, 2014 for 2014 and 15 session. Board has decided to conduct the exam all over India except in the states of Andhra Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir, and also for admission to medical or dental colleges voluntarily participating in the test on 4th May. AIPMT 2014 syllabus same as NEET syllabus. With the government's decision to scrap NEET, AIPMT is back. However, students should not be bothered about preparation, as the syllabus and pattern for All India Pre-Medical Test 2014 is a replica of NEET 2013. Preparation strategies for AIPMT 2014 should be the same as NEET, as the syllabus will be the same as that of NEET. Do not confuse AIPMT with its previous version, say experts. The difference between NEET and AIPMT 2014 is that AIPMT will be conducted only for the 15% national quota in government medical or dental colleges all over India. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has given the go-ahead of AIPMT 2014. Students should not confuse AIPMT with its previous version. AIPMT 2014 will be similar to NEET and won't affect students preparing for the common medical entrance test. The format will also be the same and will be a paper and pen test comprising multiple choice questions. NEET AIPMT more similar than different. The AIPMT syllabus will be the same as NEET. Earlier, AIPMT had 2 exams, prelims and mains. Now 1 exam only. There will be 180 objective type questions from physics, chemistry, botany and zoology. 45 questions from each subject. There is no official clarity as yet regarding negative marking in AIPMT. Since there is a similarity in the pattern of both the tests, the preparation strategy should also be the same. So friends, these were all important points regarding AIPMT 2014 exam. Get your CBSE AIPMT 2014 success pack, which includes previous year's solved question papers and test preparation CD. To order, click on the link given on the screen. Thank you.